So this is a nice little sleek, modern wireless mouse. So you do have two options to connect it. You can use the USB that's stored in the back here for you, and you can switch it to 2.4. And once you do that, and it's connected to your laptop, then you can start to use the mouse. The other option is you can slide it all the way down here and you can use the Bluetooth setting and you can connect it directly that way. When you're done, you can just slide it up and go to the off setting. So when you're actually using this mouse, you will have a light up feature that comes along the front here, through here, and along the sides of the mouse, so it will light up for you. It is quite smooth in terms of using the actual mouse itself, the rolling feature, and the clicks are noiseless. So they're quite quiet in terms of the actual clicking that you have to do, so that's a great feature to have as well. And lastly, you can also control the DPI and the sensitivity of the mouse using these buttons here. So once you actually have it connected, you just do multiple clicks and it'll adjust the DPI and sensitivity for you of your mouse.